Alright, let's go. Bro. Look, bro, hold up. Bro is literally dancing under the rain, bro. Motion, Steve, aura, energy. What is he talking about? Hey, let's. Bro, look. I like the way the second dude just came in and did this little move that rhymed with the car moving. Like, I don't know, bro. Look, let me take it back a little so y'all see what I'm talking about. Pay attention to this second guy. Look, he danced his way out of the road or the way of the car, and he just made it look so cool. Crazy stuff. That's how Africans are wild, bro. Hey, Bobo cleared. Hey. Let's go. Now the second dude added a whole different vibe to the video, man. The second dude rather added a whole different flavor to the video. I don't mind watching the video one more time, honestly. Like, he killed it. Hey, let's go. Alright, the second dude. Let's go. Hey, Bombo cleared. Crazy stuff. He killed it. I won't even lie, bro.